Today was an application by UKM to seek security of costs against plaintiff Ashik Ali. Basically what that means is that they are asking Ashik to pay 50,000 before the OS can be heard. And the reason is that they're worried that if he loses the case, he cannot pay the cost when he loses. So what they're essentially asking is, if he cannot pay 50,000 before the hearing, that means the hearing will not proceed. That is in essence what UKM had asked for. So the hearing was held before Justice Nanda Balan earlier in Chambers. He dismissed the application on the basis that this is a public interest litigation. And as it involves important constitutional questions and there are serious issues to be tried, he decided that this application was an attempt to stifle the main action, and on that ground he dismissed it. He also awarded a cost of 3,000 in favour of Ashik. So now what will happen is, the hearing will proceed on the 19th of May, 2:45 PM. It will be heard together with the UM case. The four students filed the case. So both cases will be heard on the 19th of May, 2:45 PM. There are two different set of lawyers for UM and UKM. But I think for the UM4 and Ashik, we'll have one set of lawyers. So that's the next step. So I think that's it. Amsa Damodaran Naidu. AMSA Damodaran DAMODARAN Naidu NAIDU. To decide.
There's a basis of public interest.
Public interest. I think basically there are three grounds why he dismissed it. To be clear, number one is because it's a public interest litigation, and courts normally do not award cost in public interest. And because it's public interest, it involves very serious constitutional issues, and there are serious questions to be tried here. That was number one. Number two, he found that there was no tangible evidence that Ashik cannot pay cost in the event he loses. Yeah, because the only fact they're relying on is because they were a student. That's all. Number three, he found that this was an attempt to stifle the action. In other words, an attempt to try and stop Ashik from being heard. And that was the purpose of this application. So in light of these three reasons, he dismissed the application. 3,000 in favour of it. Yeah, so it's a hearing there. No trial, it's a OS, so it's a hearing. No witnesses, nothing. It's 19th of May.